In this video, we will be going over how to install T2303 tie downs for your Toyota. Start off by installing a hex nut onto the upper spring hanger stud bracket and slide it into the frame of the truck. Locate the passenger side tie-down receiver and install a hex bolt with the hardware to the bottom nut plate and hand tighten. Then install the lock nut onto the upper spring hanger bracket. Lastly, install the half-inch hardware and insert it into the remaining hole from the inside of the frame. If the top bolt is not able to go through, try adjusting the upper spring hanger stud bracket to allow clearance. Finally, tighten the bolts to the proper torque specifications, and repeat these steps onto the other side. An optional bolt fisher is provided in the kit that may help with installing the bolt. When you are ready to use your camper or tie downs, slide your insert into the receiver and secure it with the provided pin.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.